What we have here is a KJ Miller steam engine, convertible from the late 40s through the early 50s. It's got a lot of steam right now. It'll slow down shortly. The boiler is probably fiberglass or something like that, some kind of thermoplastic. There's 2 carbon blocks inside that heat up just like they do in a percolator. Here it goes, running nicely. KJ Miller beam engine. The original safety valve. It doesn't get terribly hot. I'm going to make an insulator to go around the boiler. Maybe that'll help a bit. But here it goes. These boilers are a real pain in the ass. I have a couple others. Either the carbon blocks are good in my boilers, the other ones, but the bases are cracked. Someday I'll get to something. But this engine can be configured with other pieces as either a horizontal engine, a vertical engine, or as this beam engine. It's quite a nice idea. Wish I'd had this as a kid. Then again, I was probably just a little baby when they stopped making these. But if you like director sets or Meccano, anything like that, this was a nice engine. Let's stop it. Let the pressure build up just a little bit more so we get one good run out of it. Warm water out of the tap. You don't use distilled water because you need that electrical circuit. Warm water out of the tap. It took about 10 minutes to heat up and start going, and in total about 15 minutes before it started going reliably. Slow, wet runner. I'm very pleased to have it. Well, that's it. Put another one in the books. KJ Miller steam engine.